welcome to another video. This is going to be the install video. I have everything laid out. I also went to Steady Garage to get this gasket. I'm not sure if this is the right one, but it matched the two holes or whatever. Since it didn't come with one, I'm going to just do that. So first things first, we're going to take off the beams exhaust. Take it off, and then we're going to probably assemble this while it's out with the springs and all that. Put everything loose, and then get to installing. Just like that, and the full exhaust is out. That side. That side. All right, got the bracket on here, so I'm gonna put it back on. Slide this in. Make sure it's all the way in. Put the other bolt. Alright guys, the whole exhaust is on finally, and we're going to start it, see how it sounds. Sounds pretty quiet with the silencer on. Hella quiet actually. What do you guys think? Does it look good? That sounds too quiet for me. I'm for sure gonna have to take out the silencer. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll get right back to it. Alright guys, I got some tools, took out the silencer. That's how it looks like. It's just a 10mm bolt. How to use a wrench. And let's start it up. Alright, so this is the next day. Looks way better in the daytime. Look at that. Damn, looks nice and shiny. Show you a little close-ups. Man, look at that quality, man. All right, so we're gonna do a couple rollers. See how it sounds at max throttle. And I already rode it last night. It felt way better than the other exhaust, that's for sure. I got my torque back. Bottom end. So let's get to those rollers.